Okay, so I need your help on this one. I got this KHS Brentwood from Facebook Marketplace for $40, and I really couldn't turn down the deal. It was an awesome price for this bike, and I have a lot of mountain bikes, but I don't have any road bikes, and I'm on the fence on what to do, whether to just leave this bike alone as is. I know KHS has technically, I guess, from what I've heard, gone out of business. So I could look at it like an investment and leave it alone, kind of put it away, ride it occasionally. Or I could fix it up, or I could upgrade it. So I'm really on the fence about it. I don't know whether to do that or not. You know, I could put a different drivetrain on it. It does have the Shimano Tourney style drivetrain. It's not the best. I rode it around. It's very upright. I was kind of considering maybe putting a flat bar on it, maybe, or just doing some work to it. And I don't know if I should do that or not, just because of the situation with KHS, and if this would be, if I'd end up ruining this as an investment, if I did some stuff that would make it not what it originally was. I did dismantle a Trek a few years ago, the single track, and I've got the flat tempered chromoly bars. They're quite narrow like this, but I think it would be an upgrade. I think it would be a pretty good upgrade. It would put you a little bit more lean forward. This is a very upright bike. I'll show you. This, it's 125 millimeter stem, and it is 100 millimeter rise on the bars. Now this is a steel frame, Brentwood suspension seat post, which I absolutely love. The saddle is very comfortable. And here's your Shimano Tourney derailleur. It is a 3x, but look how tall this thing is in the front. I mean, it is massive. This thing is so tall. Makes for an extremely upright riding position, which is very comfortable, but it also almost feels kind of weird. I think maybe I could get used to it, and maybe I would even appreciate it after riding it a little bit. But what do you guys think? I really am struggling with this one. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. If you think I should do some work, upgrade it. If you think I should upgrade this bike, please leave a comment. Let me know. And what should I upgrade? What would be a good decision on that? If I should leave it alone, please leave a comment on that as well. Tell me not to touch it, leave it alone, put it away, save it. Or if you have another suggestion, please share. So this is just a little bit different than what I'm normally riding. I'm usually riding mountain bikes and enjoying the trails. And here in about a month, me and Ashley are going to be celebrating our 20-year wedding anniversary. And we're going to go to Asheville. And she wants to ride bikes around Asheville. And I was thinking that the mountain bike probably just wouldn't be very comfortable. So I was looking for something that would be good for the Asheville trip. And this was just on my way home from work for $40. So I swung in and picked it up. It is 700C. Pretty comfortable bike, really. It's the range is terrible. I was reading that Asheville's got quite a few hills, and that probably the mountain bike would be better for climbing those hills, whereas this is probably will be just more comfortable on flat terrain. So I may not even take it, but still it was a good deal. So let me know what you think. Definitely I could use the help. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.